going Mediterranean today on Kitchen Guy. I'll show you how to make moussaka, which is a Greek-style meat casserole. So you'll start by browning a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground lamb with some onion. Now if you don't have ground lamb, it's okay to use all beef. Then I'll add in a can of tomato sauce, 3/4 of a cup of red wine, some freshly chopped parsley, some oregano, and some cinnamon. And then we'll cook it until the mixture is almost dry, and that should take about 20 minutes. Now preheat your oven to 350 and then melt a 1/4 cup of butter in a saucepan, then add a 1/4 cup of flour. Mix it all together. We're making a roux. Then, once the flour is cooked down, add in 2 cups of milk and bring it to a boil and continue stirring until the mixture thickens. Now add just a little bit of that roux to some beaten eggs so that the eggs don't scramble. Then add it back into the roux. And then we'll add the secret ingredient, some freshly grated nutmeg. And now you've made bechamel. Okay, now I added some Parmesan cheese to the bechamel and then buttered a glass baking dish, put a layer of eggplant on the bottom, and then salt and peppered it, and then put all of that delicious meat on top. Now I'm going to make another layer of eggplant and salt and pepper it, and then pour the bechamel on top of that. Then I will add some additional cheese on top, cover it loosely with foil, and bake it in the oven for about an hour. I'm Chef Jim. Ευχαριστώ for watching Kitchen Guy. I'll see you next time.